Welcome back subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to the Walhalla Railway Station. Now any history that I'm about to mention I will leave a link in the description of where I got this information from, so you could source more information if you need to. Walhalla Railway Station is located approximately 179 kilometres or 111 miles east of Melbourne. The station is on the Walhalla narrow gauge line in Gippsland, Victoria, Australia. The station was originally built to serve the gold mine town of Walhalla. However, just 3 years after the line opened, the last gold mine in the town closed. In late 1862, gold was discovered by a group of prospectors headed by a Ned Stringer, and the creek was named after Stringer. Quartz reefs were found and numbers of mining companies came to extract from those reefs. Walhalla's boom was from 1880 to 1895. There were many mines along the reefs, but the long tunnel was one of the richest in Australia. The section of the railway at Walhalla was considered to be a remarkable piece of engineering. The town of Walhalla is located in a very steep gully, and due to space restrictions, the station building was built over the creek, and that's where you'll see on that culvert, which I highlight once we get along into the video. Shortly before the closure of the station building was relocated to the Melbourne suburb station of Hartwell. So the original station is now at Hartwell. Construction of the 44-kilometre line from Maui commenced in 1904 and was finally completed in early 1910, with the last part of the railway beyond Erica requiring a large number of bridges and cuttings through the mountainous terrain of the district. On the 3rd of May 1910, the railway was formally opened and services commenced, with an expectation that it would support Walhalla to a new age of prosperity. Now, fortunately, the former State Electricity Commission in nearby Yallourn had a narrow gauge railway used for brown coal transfer, and generously donated the Fowler diesel locomotive, surplus coal wagons and numerous track and equipment for this now to be a tourist attraction. The first short section of track was laid in February 1994 and the railway commenced operation in April on a very short section of line in the Thompson Station Yard. The area of Walhalla has excellent walking, four-wheel drive and motorcycle adventure riding off-road tracks. Unfortunately, I was only able to have a quick explore of the railway station and hope to revisit this location and explore the town, historical features, and even there is a river crossing nearby. And if you've got a four-wheel drive or you've got a motorcycle, it's worthwhile trying to cross it. It's purposely built, and I went down there to have a look on foot, and it is very doable for anyone with any type of four-wheel drive or a motorcycle. So definitely have to come back and have another look and maybe give it a go with my motorbike. So without further ado, let's check out the railway station at Walhalla. So here we are once again, nearing the end of this presentation or video. I hope you enjoyed it. By all means, give us that thumbs up if you did, or hit the like button. And if you could, subscribe. Subscribing doesn't cost you 1 cent, but it really does help the algorithms and this channel immensely. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day. And just a quick note, yes, I have had a haircut. The hippie look didn't sort of do me any favours, and it was a bit of a pain in the butt. But anyway, that's the new style. I've gone back and resorted to the short haircut look. So once again, thanks for watching.